Hello, ladies. Have you ever thought that push-ups are too hard for women? Well, that's not true. Push-ups are for everyone, and you can do them too. They help you build strength, improve posture, and stay fit. Today, we will talk about how you can start doing push-ups even if you are a beginner. No matter your age, weight, or fitness level, you can master push-ups with patience and consistency. Let's dive in. Why should women do push-ups? Push-ups are one of the best exercises for overall fitness. Here's why every woman should add them to her workout routine. White heavy checkmark full body workout. Push-ups don't just work your arms, they also strengthen your shoulders, chest, core, and even legs. White heavy checkmark improves posture. Many women suffer from back and shoulder pain due to poor posture. Push-ups help in keeping your back straight and improving alignment. White heavy checkmark no equipment needed, you don't need fancy gym machines or weights. Just a little space and motivation. White heavy checkmark boosts confidence. The stronger you get, the more confident you feel in your own body. White heavy checkmark great for heart health. Push-ups improve blood circulation and overall cardiovascular health. Common myths about push-ups for women. There are many misconceptions that discourage women from trying push-ups. Let's bust these myths. Prohibited myth 1, women don't have enough strength. White heavy checkmark truth, women may have less upper body muscle mass than men, but with regular practice, they can build impressive strength. Prohibited myth 2, push-ups make women look bulky. White heavy checkmark truth, push-ups help tone and define muscles, not make them overly bulky. Women don't naturally produce high levels of testosterone, so they won't develop massive muscles like bodybuilders. Prohibited myth 3, push-ups are bad for the knees. White heavy checkmark truth, when done correctly, push-ups strengthen the joints and muscles, reducing the risk of injuries. Knee push-ups are a great way to build strength before progressing to standard push-ups. Prohibited myth 4, women should only do light workouts. White heavy checkmark truth, strength training, including push-ups, is beneficial for women's health, improving metabolism, posture, and overall fitness. How to do a perfect push-up, step-by-step guide. Keycap 1. Start in a plank position, place your hands shoulder-width apart on the floor. Keep your legs straight and your body in a straight line from head to toe. Keycap 2. Lower your body, bend your elbows and slowly lower your chest toward the ground. Keep your elbows at a 45-degree angle, not flared out. Keycap 3. Push back up, press through your palms and push your body back to the starting position. Keep your core tight. Keycap 4. Repeat, try to do at least 5 to 10 reps as a beginner. Light bulb pro tip, keep your back straight and engage your core muscles to prevent sagging. Beginner-friendly push-up variations. If you find regular push-ups too challenging, don't worry. Here are some easier versions to help you build strength. Small blue diamond wall push-ups, stand facing a wall, place your hands on it, and push your body away. Small blue diamond knee push-ups, keep your knees on the floor while lowering your body. Small blue diamond incline push-ups, place your hands on a raised surface, like a bench or table, to reduce difficulty. Small blue diamond negative push-ups, lower your body slowly and drop to your knees on the way up. This helps build strength. How to progress from beginner to advanced push-ups. Once you master basic push-ups, challenge yourself with these variations. Fire wide grip push-ups, targets the chest more intensely. Fire diamond push-ups, hands form a diamond shape under the chest, focusing on triceps. Fire one leg push-ups, lift one leg while doing push-ups to engage the core more. Fire Spider-Man push-ups, bring one knee to your elbow while lowering down. Fire plyometric, clap, push-ups, push off the ground explosively and clap before landing. How many push-ups should women do daily? Small orange diamond beginners, start with 5 to 10 push-ups per day. Small orange diamond intermediate, aim for 15 to 20 push-ups in one set. Small orange diamond advanced, 30 plus push-ups per set. If you can't do many push-ups at once, break them into small sets throughout the day. Common push-up mistakes and how to fix them. Crossmark mistake, dropping hips too low or raising them too high. White heavy checkmark fix, keep your body in a straight line. Engage your core muscles. Crossmark mistake, elbows pointing out too much. White heavy checkmark fix, keep elbows at a 45-degree angle to protect your shoulders. Crossmark mistake, holding your breath, white heavy checkmark fix, inhale as you go down, exhale as you push up. Push UPS and weight loss, can they help? Yes. While push-ups alone won't burn fat like cardio exercises, they help build lean muscle. More muscle equals a faster metabolism, which helps burn calories even when resting. Combine push-ups with a balanced diet and cardio for the best results. Benefits of push UPS beyond fitness. Heavy checkmark increases bone density. Strength training, including push-ups, helps prevent osteoporosis. Heavy checkmark reduces stress. Exercise releases endorphins, making you feel happier and less stressed. Heavy checkmark improves stamina. As you get stronger, daily activities feel easier. Heavy checkmark enhances sports performance. Push-ups improve upper body strength for activities like swimming, tennis.